Standard 8 Science, Lesson number 14, Measurement and Effects of Heat. Units of temperature are Celsius, it is degrees C. Second is Fahrenheit, that is degree F. And third is Kelvin, K. And there is a relation between these three units, and it is given by the formula F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. This is the first formula. And second formula, K is equal to C plus 273.15. Using these two formula, we are going to solve some word problems. First question, how much will the temperature of 68 degree Fahrenheit be in Celsius and Kelvin? That means temperature in Fahrenheit is given as 68 and we have to find out the temperature in Celsius and temperature in Kelvin. So F is 68, C and K we have to find out. So F is given, so using this formula we can find out the value of C. So I am using the first formula, F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Now I will substitute the value of F as 68. 68 minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Now we will do the subtraction. 68 minus 32, that is 36. Upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Now we will cross multiply these numbers. Therefore, C into 9 is equal to 36 into 5. Now 9 is multiplying to C, so this will get divided on the other side of the equal to sign. Now we can cancel this. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Therefore, C is equal to 4 into 5, that is 20 degrees Celsius. This is the value of C. Now we have to find out the value of K. Now to find out the K value, we have to use the second formula. K is equal to C plus 273.15. Therefore, C will substitute this 20 plus 273.15. So 20 plus 273 is 293.15. Therefore, we got our answer. C is equal to 20 degrees Celsius and Kelvin is equal to 293.15 Kelvin. So this is our answer. Second question, at what temperature will its value be same in Celsius and Fahrenheit? So now in this question, the value of the Celsius and the Fahrenheit is given same. And we have to find out the temperature. At that temperature, this value will be the same. If the temperature in Celsius C and the temperature in Fahrenheit will be same, that means F is equal to C. Okay, so this is given. So we'll use the first formula, F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Therefore, in place of F, we can substitute C, or in place of C, we can substitute F. Anything we can do. Now I am substituting F value as C. So this is C minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. I will cross multiply this. Therefore, 5 into, in the bracket, C minus 32. 5 into this, and this is 9 into C. Now multiply by the 5 to this bracket. 5C minus 5 into 32 is 160 equal to 9C. Now 5C minus 9C is equal to 160. Therefore 5C minus 9C is minus 4C is equal to 160. Therefore C is equal to 160 divided by minus 4. Therefore C is equal to 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 4s are 0, so minus 40. Therefore, the temperature in Celsius and in Fahrenheit will be same at minus 40 degrees.